Today we are in Çiftlikköy Çeşme and I'm going to show you this modern project. This newly built property is located in Çiftlikköy. It's built on a plot of 240 square meters and the net living surface is 210 square meters. The property is set up with an open plan kitchen and it has 3 bedrooms and 2 living rooms. The property is located only 900 meters from the popular beach Altın Kum. Thank you very much for watching. If you need more information regarding this property, do not hesitate to contact us directly.